Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. Today pala guys, mag-unbox tayo ng earphones. This is what we call the ZNT SoundCool earphones. It's actually Bluetooth headset and tatanggalin ko lang siya muna sa packaging kasi ang hirap niyang tanggalin. And also it's been like 7 days ko siyang inintay guys para mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong maganda dito ha. So ayan na siya, nakalabas na siya sa packaging. Grabe talaga, ang galing ng pagka-packed na merchandise ko. And meron siyang sa packaging niya pala, sa loob meron ba siyang bubble wrap, and then grabe, sobrang dikit masyado talaga yung pagka-pack niya, and it's a good thing as well, protecting my merchandise. So ito na nga yun guys, yung ZNT SoundCool. Focus, okay. So una ko masasabi dito is ang ganda ng box, pretty much compact yung box, and parang matte finish talaga, ang ganda. As you can see here, yan, ZNT.aia website nila. And pasensya na guys kasi isa lang yung camera ko. I'm using a mobile camera ngayon. So as you can see here, made in China siya. And then yeah, let's open the box. So ayan yung loob ng merchandise. So as you can see, meron siyang, what's this? ZNT make the world a little better. So ano tong parang inventory or repair function, I think. Ano to siya, insurance? Yeah, warranty card. It shows here blah 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 blah. Meron dong lucky draw. Wow, that's good stuff. Tabi natin to. And then may pouch siya guys. Glossy, rubbery texture. Yeah, that's okay. Ito, user manual, read before using. So here, yan yung earbuds. And ito yung lalagyan niya actually. So what we can have here, focus, model number, yeah, yep. Headset capacity 50 mAh. Charging case capacity is 3000 mAh. Is signed by ZNT itself. Okay, and let's see, let's open this. Kita natin yung loob. Boom! So ito yung loob niya, left to right. Meron siyang dalawang pin. I believe dyan magcha-charge yung dalawang headset, obviously. And there, so far maganda yung nakikita ko. And ano to, let's see, I think dito siya matcha-charge. Pasensya na talaga guys ha. So here, USB type cable. Alright, kung low-bat siya, i-charge yun lang through adapter, and boom, nandyan na. I think yung dito to be used sa charging your phone. So itry natin yan mamaya. So ngayon yung dalawang headset is wala pa talaga, walang battery. So I think I'm going to charge it here. Okay. Ayan na guys, nag-charge siya. So from the moment ng pagkalagay ko, yung charging niya is very active naman. Wala naman ako nakitang diferensya so far or hiccups. Charge agad, and as you can see, nagla-light siya. So hayaan muna natin meron siyang juice inside the earbuds, and then we'll check it afterwards, okay? 100%. Yan, very handy siya guys. Actually mabigat siya konti, pero okay na. This device will get lots of fingerprints para sa akin lang, you know, but that's totally fine. So stay muna natin siya sa gilid while charging, and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so yep, charging cable, 10 inches perhaps, charging cable. Yan, tabi muna natin yan. Earbuds, 3 pairs. Yan. The pouch here, this is where you put in the device sa loob para sosyalin din yung dating guys, you know. Meron siyang pouch to protect it from harm's way. May ganun this particular headset, waterproof siya, waterproof, sweat proof. I'm not sure lang kung pwede ba to pang swimming. Joke lang guys, baka sweat proof lang. Yan, charging up. So dito muna tayo sa user manual. It says here ZNT Bluetooth 5.0. Well, not bad na rin kasi up to date pa rin siya. Page 2. Accessory list. Earbuds check, ear cap check, USB cable check, charging box, or as I called it, charging brick. Ito yung specification niya guys. Material ABS plus PC, Bluetooth distance 10 meters. Wow, ang taas actually. So let's just say 10 meters siya. Based on my estimate, sa isang floor namin dito sa bahay, it will, sa first floor lang, it's 3 to 4 meters high. So kung 10 meters siya, abot siya ng 3rd floor sa amin. Ang taas. Oh my god, I'm liking it already. So Bluetooth version, sorry about that, the Bluetooth version is version 5. Net weight 92 grams. Page 3. Page 4, nilalagay ng dito, sinasabi ng dito kung paano mag-charge. Obviously, it's very simple. I-attach nyo lang dun yung ano. Uy! Ito! Nakita nyo to? Charging for mobile phones. Yan. Pwede. Itong cable na to, you can actually use it for charging your phone. So while you're charging the earbuds, you can actually connect your phone just in case na malobat kayo dito and charge it. Okay, yun yung sabi surprisingly. What else? How to pair. Put the earbuds into case and close. The case will charge the earbuds. Open the charging case. Left and right will be pairing automatically. So ito pala. Once you opened this particular charging brick, magpe-pair na siya agad. Let's see if gagana. Wow. And it will light slowly like that. That means naka-pair na siya pala. Yun, no? Light slowly down. Okay. So yung iba kasi, yung ginagawa nila, tinatanggal nila to, and then they will say it will pair right away once you get those two earbuds out of the charging deck. In this case, hindi pala siya ganun. So just for the sake of argument, based on the manual itself, once you open the charging deck, mag-prepare na siya agad. Okay, perfect. What else? Voice function. Click left or right 3 times continuously. So I think sa voice function, I'm thinking na magko-connect siya agad sa Google Assistant, parang ganon. I think magko-connect siya doon. Let's just see. I'm going to create part 2 for this, guys, para malaman nyo kung anong resulta or experience ko using it. So move on. Volume, long touch lang nyo daw, yung right, and yung left earbuds, long touch mo lang to decrease the volume. Answering a call, so click left. Kung may tatawag sa inyo, guys, click left yun lang daw, ganon. And hang up, click left. Talking, reject call, double click. I think hindi siya double click, double tap. Double tap dapat dito. It's not clicking kasi para siyang, kung sa baga pa yung earbuds na yun, guys, ano siya, kung sa cellphone pa, guys, touchscreen siya, pero in this case hindi naman yan touchscreen. Oh my god. So yan, i-try nating tanggalin. Wait. Magnetic pala, guys, oh. Ang ganda. So hindi siya basta-bastang malalaglag. Magnetic siya, guys. Sample. Magnetic. That's good to hold those earbuds in place. Okay. So na-charge na natin siya for like 3 minutes. Tanggalin natin. Ayan siya. Ayan siya, guys. Very light. So far, the device is simply amazing. First views ko pa lang, okay na yung pinapakita niya. I haven't tested this pa regarding volume, if basag ba siya or whatever, but sa feedback pa lang ng ibang tao, okay naman yung music, buong buo daw, and also yun nga sa sinasabing sweat proof or waterproof. It hold its function actually, guys. So yun lang po today. Oh, by the way, thoughts lang, ano pa pala akong gawin na part 2 nito, guys. I'm going to tell you kung what are my thoughts about it using for a day sa gaming, sa music, and also yung power brick niya. I-observe ko rin dito kung ilang days malobat yung charging brick while charging the earbuds from the time of usage, and naka-standby siya sa loob dito. Okay? So, iyan lang po, guys, yung mga masasabi ko ngayon. So far, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong meron sa loob ng box ng ZNT SoundCool merchandise. And actually, happy ako about the results that I'm seeing. And also, guys, thank you pala for watching the video today. and rest assured guys na I'm going to tell more about it after a few days from now, okay? And also when it comes with price pala guys, nabili lang to ng fiancé ko for like 1,800 and sa kumari niya nabili yon. So I'm going to share also the name sa kumari namin para at least kung gusto nyong ma-avail tong ZNT product, contact nyo lang siya, okay? So then again guys, thank you by the way for watching. Just wait for my next upload about the reviews, positive and negative about this particular handset, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.